Hello ladies and gentlemen, all of you welcome. Traditional Ottoman paste recipe. What is Ottoman paste? We can say spicy and fruity natural sugar sticks. Historical street flavor of Turkish food culture. This will be the first attempt for me, I haven't done it before. How to make Ottoman candies, necessary ingredients. We will use some essential spices, hibiscus, these are dried pomegranate flowers. Clove. Cinnamon, actually stick cinnamon needs to be used. Black pepper. Mint. Vanilla. Fennel. Ginger. Black cumin. Since I will not use food coloring, I will try to color from powdered fruit teas. Kiwi tea, orange tea, strawberry tea, banana tea, and apple tea. 300 grams of beet sugar will be used for each fruit candy. Strawberry. Kiwi. Banana. Apple. Orange. Lemon. Steel pots and wooden spoons are used for cooking pastes. Some olive oil is required. Wash fruits first. Add the spices to the grinder. Actually, this spice is separated by its colors and applied to similarly colored fruits. I mix the spices. If you make it, use ground cinnamon instead of powdered cinnamon. Spice mix prepared. Necessary fruits are chopped and prepared. Extract juices with juicer. Half a glass of juice is required, half a glass of kiwi juice. Remove kiwi residue. Prepare half a glass of strawberry juice. Prepare half a glass of apple juice. Prepare half a glass of banana puree. prepare half a glass of orange juice. Various juices, half a glass prepared. Add lemon juice to the juices. Add 300 grams of sugar. Add some olive oil. You can use natural oils, such as coconut oil or peppermint oil. Add 1 small spoon of spices. Add juices and compatible powdered fruit teas. Orange juice and powdered orange tea. Strawberry juice and powdered strawberry tea. Kiwi juice and powdered kiwi tea. Now you can start cooking. Add the pots to the stove. Stir over medium heat and wait for it to boil. Add orange peel grit to the orange juice mixture. Set the timer after boiling, cook for 10 minutes on low heat. Stir the fruit candies for 10 minutes, the time will not exceed 10 minutes. Add the fruit candies to the hollow plate and let it cool. Banana and apple sugar paste will be prepared. Although we saw ottoman paste as sugar, it originally appeared for the purpose of healing. According to the belief, it was tried in 1522 to cure some diseases. Such a flavor appeared when preparing a mixture with various spices, fruits and herbs. Follow the same steps and cook the fruit candies. Add to the porcelain dish and cool slowly at room temperature. In case of rapid cooling, its consistency may deteriorate, crystallization occurs. After 3 hours, ottoman pastes have cooled down. Add to bowls by looking at the consistency of sugar pastes. This is the consistency of strawberry paste. This is the consistency of apple ottoman paste. We did not use colorants and the colors were close to each other. This is the consistency of the kiwi ottoman sugar paste. The consistency of the banana ottoman paste in this way. I think a little more lemon needs to be used because there is no water in the banana. This is the consistency of the ottoman paste with orange. I think the best consistency is orange sugar consistency. This ottoman paste is traditional street dessert. It is fun for kids. If there is no wheelbarrow, the seller puts the tray on the hanger and wanders through the streets to sell candy. It was more common in ancient times. Feast days became available in our time. Fruit paste is wrapped in wooden sticks in this way. Yeah, it's a bit novice in this business, but I think we managed to do this basically and organically. Tried for the first time and it should have been slightly different in color, that is green, yellow, red, orange. Finally, lemon is squeezed on it. It is used both for flavoring and for standing still. We have come to the end of the video prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos and supported me. See you in a new video. Goodbye.